Alright, I'm installing this swarm trap. We'll see how it goes. Getting set up here. So real easy. I'm going to take this whole swarm trap and I'm going to move it off to the side. It's kind of heavy. So move it off to the side. I'm going to put this down here on the pallet. Just set this pallet up yesterday, so it should be good. Alright, I'm going to remove some frames, a bunch of frames. All of them. And we'll see what we got. Alright. This baby open. They were a little jumpy last night. There we go. Straps off. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frames, but I see a lot of honey. We'll see if there's even a queen in here. Let's start with a little shaky shaky. Now this is the frames they draw on their own. It was kind of beautiful. It's all drone comb and honey, but I don't want to rob them of that resource. Crushed one already. More honey. This swarm has got a lot of honey. Alright, here's a whole brood frame. Oh. Alright, so that's a nice brood. This one's decent. So this thing's fit to explode. Now, there are some combs at the bottom, which, what to do. I see a drone down there. Gotta be careful in case the queen's down there. That is, so they've been there a while to be building that far down and to be that brooded up. I did just take a sting on my leg, so they're a little agitated. I wouldn't want people messing with my house like this either. Oh, just dropped it. It's a nice brood frame. Yeah, one full deep. It's basically full deep. Alright, so that's good on that. Question is, do I give them a second box? That's a good question. I could just use this box. Fence. See if it fits. It's not too bad. I'm going to get rid of this because this is good for swarm traps. Yeah, I'll give them a second brood box. And she's installed.